अगर आपने अदानी ग्रीन एनर्जी में आज से 5 साल पहले 1 लाख रुपीज इन्वेस्ट किए होते तो आज उसकी वैल्यू 45 लाख होती। अब अगर ये सुन के आप स्टॉक मार्केट में इन्वेस्ट करने के लिए टेम्प्ट हो चुके हो, देन नो दिस कि अगर आपने ये सेम 1 लाख रुपीज फ्यूचर लाइफस्टाइल में इन्वेस्ट किए होते तो आज उसकी वैल्यू होती सिर्फ 400 रुपीज। अ रिस्की गेम, isn't it? So here are 5 things you need to know before investing in stock. First and foremost, have a clear objective. Is it to build a housing fund, kickstart a business venture, or secure your retirement? Without an objective, you're a traveler without a destination, and you won't know how to smartly allocate your money. Second, understand your risk tolerance. Don't simply follow the notion more risk, more return. Know how much you're willing to invest, how long you're willing to invest this sum, and if you have another stable source of income. Third, learn the fundamentals. Do your own research and see whether the stock is fundamentally strong or not with the right leadership and the right stock price. Avoid falling into pitfalls of penny stocks and relying to advice of tipsters on WhatsApp groups. Fourth, embrace diversification. Avoid putting all your eggs in one basket. Instead, diversify your money and disperse it across different sectors and asset class. So let's say if one sector is to perform poorly in a year, the other sectors are there to protect your capital. And lastly, have an entry and exit strategy with a time frame. The most common problem with retail investors is that they chase the stock after its price has already reached its peak. Now, if you've got the time to do your own research on stocks, then you're good to go. But if not, then don't forget to check out our curated portfolios based on different interests and preferences on goodluck.com.